Hi everyone. Grand P Workshop did put a video this morning. I said I would love to have. I didn't think of my Roxy whip webcam anyway. The little webcam that I have, and this is the little bracket that comes with it. The only problem is, guys, if I want to put my camera on it, I need to spin it around, and there's a little screw on it that you tight, and as you notice, it's snowy right now, so we're gonna have a little snowblower action here. And it's about -15 outside, guys, and it's quite nice to have that cabin heat in a storm like this. So guys, it doesn't seem to struggle at all. We'll turn this around here, and yeah, turn my camera like this. Seems to be working fine, and the fuel doesn't seem to have any issue with the fuels yet. And they're supposed to have about another 6 to 10 inches next. We're supposed to have this like tonight and later on, so I did clear the driveway here because for security. I will make a video of another driveway that I'm doing, and there's going to be all the amount of snow that we did receive, so I will be able to test my snowblower more. But 6 inches of snow, that's powdery snow, was really nice to plow with the snowblower there. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and put a thumbs up. Till next time.